magnitude 6.1 earthquake struck off Hokkaido in northern Japan on Saturday night, according to reports from the U.S. Geological Survey and the Japan Meteorological Agency. The offshore quake, which occurred at 10:27 p.m., 13:27 GMT, had a depth of approximately 43 kilometers, 27 miles. Coastal cities of Kushiro and Nemuro experienced the tremors, but no reports of damage or injuries have been reported by major Japanese media outlets. Despite the absence of a tsunami warning, experts have urged residents to remain vigilant against possible aftershocks for about a week. Japan is no stranger to earthquakes, as the country sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, an area known for intense seismic activity that spans Southeast Asia and the Pacific Basin. Japan has implemented strict construction regulations to ensure the resilience of its buildings in the face of strong earthquakes and holds regular emergency drills to prepare for such incidents.